Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph and asked how you could create this with, it's real fuzzy, but there's white background. They also said I didn't have to use that soldier. So I used this soldier, and I did this. And so I made some of the word white and some of the text black. I think it's pretty cool. If you take a yellow box, put it around it, pick yellow, go up to object, order back a page. Everything yellow will not engrave. Everything black is going to engrave or print. I mainly do this for engravers. But we're going to take this army guy, and you can see it's got some watermarks in the background, some dots. Best way to me to cure that is let's take a box, take the Smart Fill tool. Let's put the Smart Fill on a color like blue, and let's fill that in. Now we can take this box and take the Smart Fill tool and go to black and fill in our silhouette. So now we have nothing but black image. Instead of, when you move this around, you can see lines and watermarks of some sort. So, how did I get the words in there? Take your words and move them over. I wouldn't go past his leg. Let's see how nudge factor set on 2.5. We're at 2.5. Let's change our nudge factor to 4 and play it safe. Hit the plus key on your keyboard and then your right arrow key. And on this one, select everything and go back minus front. This one, do just the opposite, front minus back. And then just nudge these back over. It was that easy. And if you look, if we take our yellow box, we'll take our yellow box and bring it over to this one. This is what you're going to get. Pretty cool. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.